Good morning, everybody. Start with the global market news update today. Asia Pacific market climbed Friday after economic data from the US calmed recessionary fears, while investor also assessed a slew of data from Japan. Initial jobless claim in the US fell to 231,000 from the prior week, 232,000, but were slightly higher than the 230,000 expected the Dow Jones. Overnight in the US, the Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed to a new record, up by 0.59% and closing at 41,335. Gains in the Goldman Sachs, Intel, and the Visa helped lift the blue chip average to a new high. Gold gains as investors zero in on Fed cut inflation data. The S&P 500 ended the session suggests below the flat line, but the Nasdaq Composite slide by 0.23%, dragged by shares of chip maker Nvidia, which slide 6.4%. US dollar gain for second day after GDP backed smaller Fed cut. Oil steady as Libyan supply, whose counter lower than expected US stock drove. Now coming to the Indian market update, we can see Nifty closed around 99 point positive, that is around 0.40% positive in the previous trading session. And today's support level would be around 24,883 followed by 24,803. And the resistance level would be around 25,298 followed by 25,382. Now coming to the Bank Nifty closed around 8 point positive, that is around 0.02%. And today's support level would be around 5804 followed by 5689. And the resistance level would be around 51,485 followed by 51,597. Now coming to the mid cap closed around 262 point negative, that is around 0.44% negative. And today's support level would be around 58,206 followed by 57,960. And the resistance level would be around 59,637 followed by 59,861. Now coming to the a small cap closed around 105 point negative, that is around 0.54% negative. And today's support level would be around 19,029 followed by 18,940. And the resistance level would be around 19,496 followed by 19,553. Now coming to the sectoral update, we can see a good buying opportunities in IT sector, rating sector, telecom sector, healthcare sector, alcohol sector, miscellaneous sector, diamond and jewelry sector, consumer durable sector, mining sector, FMCG sector. Now coming to the top deliveries, we can see top deliveries in crude oil, banking, telecom sector, and IT sector. Basket recommendation. We continue to buy with the financial service stock basket with the expected return of 10%. And the performance review is large cap performed till now 4.92%. Auto stocks performed around 1.99%. Private bank performed around negative 3.20%. FMCG performed around 7.31%. Pharma performed around 8.04%, and Tata Group performed around 5.11%. We suggest to book profit in FMCG and pharma sector.
As we have booked the FMCG and Finmo, it is looking like we have achieved two basket targets, and further we'll be focusing on financial services basket as we hold on till we see either the stop loss or the target to be achieved into the baskets. So, what about other baskets? How long will hold?
We'll hold for another a month or two, something, sir.
Okay, like private sector, we are holding, and other
Yes, sir, in a month, for a month. Oh,
Okay, I have a question. Private bank, I think ever since the private bank basket has been it's been going negative only for a long time. I think mostly even from the very soon after we recommended also. Yes.
Yes.
So how long do you suggest holding it? Because there are clients are holding it and they would like to
Ma'am,
know.
we suggest to hold this for a month or so because yesterday also we see a good delivery in the private bank sector.
Okay.
So we can see a good, in upcoming days, we can see a good pullback in this sector.
Okay, so you suggest to hold it for another month.
Yes, ma'am.
The calls were given for a quarterly basis, so we'll try to hold on and we'll say another month and then we'll decide. Or if we'll try to move on to other basket by booking loss into private bank. As we are seeing the delivery is increasing, so we try to hold on that one. If it is decreasing, then we'll try to reduce.